Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to make voice and video calls on WhatsApp. So first of all, you click on your WhatsApp application and then you click whoever you want to call. At the top right beside their name, you can just click on the video icon if you wish to make a video call or the call icon to make a voice call. Or you can swipe back and below you see status, calls, communities, chats, and settings. Here click on calls and then you tap on whoever you wish to call. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.